All right, let's talk about something that sounds, well, completely backward. The idea that being a little bit hungry could actually make you more focused. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because the science here is absolutely fascinating.
So, has this ever happened to you? You're totally in the zone, crushing a project, and then you hear it. That little rumble in your stomach. But instead of being distracted, you're actually sharper than ever. If that sounds familiar, well, you're not going crazy. It's a real thing, and we're going to break down exactly why.
Okay, so let's put these two feelings side by side. We all know the one, you finish a big meal, and suddenly your brain feels like it's wading through mud. That's that classic brain fog. But then there's the flip side, that feeling of being just a little hungry, where everything feels crisp and clear. This isn't just a mood thing, folks, it's pure biology. Our bodies are literally designed to work this way.
So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What's actually happening inside your head? Well, think of it like this. Your brain has a focus switch, and believe it or not, hunger is one of the things that can flip it on.
First up is a key player called norepinephrine. Now, when your body gets hungry, its ancient programming kicks in. It thinks, okay, time to hunt, time to find food. So, to help you out, it releases this chemical, which is basically your brain's natural concentration booster. It dials up your alertness and sharpens your attention right when you need it.
And it doesn't stop there. Your brain also gets a hit of something called BDNF. I love this one. The best way to picture BDNF is like Miracle Grow for your brain. Seriously, when you're a bit hungry, your body produces more of it, and it literally helps your brain cells grow and make stronger connections. This is a huge boost for your memory and for learning.
All right, so we've got the brain chemistry covered, but that's only half the story. We also need to talk about fuel and hormones, because they play a massive role in all this.
We've all been there, right? You have a big lunch, and about an hour later, bam, you hit a wall. You can't focus, you feel sleepy. That's the blood sugar roller coaster. A huge spike followed by a massive crash. But when you're in that slightly hungry zone, your blood sugar is way more stable. It's like a smooth, steady stream of energy for your brain instead of a chaotic flood. No spikes, no crashes, just clean focus.
Now, let's talk hormones. You probably heard of ghrelin. It's the one everyone calls the hunger hormone. It's the reason your stomach rumbles. But here's the cool part, its secret identity, if you will. Ghrelin doesn't just talk to your stomach. It takes a trip up to your brain and actually helps fire up your neurons, giving a nice little boost to your memory and your ability to learn.
And this all plugs right into our deep primal wiring. Being hungry also triggers a little shot of adrenaline. Yep, the same stuff from the fight or flight response. It's your body going into survival mode. Your senses get sharper, your reaction time gets faster. It's basically your biology screaming, "Pay attention, we need to find food." And that intense primal focus, you can point it directly at your work.
Okay, the science is cool for sure. But the real question is, so what? How do we actually use this? How can you tap into this amazing biological feature without, just being hangry all day? All right, let's get practical. Here's how you can actually harness that hunger and make it work for you.
Okay, 5 simple steps. Number 1, find your timing. Pay attention to when you feel that slight hunger. Maybe it's that hour before lunch. That's your golden hour for focus. 2, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. A lot of the time, we think we're hungry when we're actually just thirsty. Keep water or tea handy. 3, work in short bursts. Don't try to go for hours. The Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off, is perfect for this. 4, move your body. After a focus session, get up, do a few stretches, walk around. It gets the blood flowing back to your brain. And number 5, and this is the big one, change how you think about it. Reframe that feeling. It's not a distraction, it's a signal.
So, when you put it all together, what does this really mean? It's all about a new mindset. It's about learning to work with your body's built-in systems, not against them.
This really says it all, doesn't it? That rumble in your stomach isn't a problem to be solved immediately. It's not a distraction, it's a signal. It's your body's way of telling you, hey, the high-performance engine is warmed up. It's time for peak focus.
So there you have it. Your body has this incredible natural focus mode just built right in. It's been there this whole time. Now that you know how to turn it on, the only question left is, are you going to use it?